Hello everyone, today we will compare Paystack and Flutterwave, two leading payment processing platforms in Africa. So Paystack simplifies online payments for businesses, offering tools for accepting payments via cards, bank transfer, and mobile money, known for its seamless integration and user-friendly design. While Flutterwave provides a versatile platform for global transactions, supporting various payment methods and currencies, ideal for businesses looking to scale across borders with advanced customization options. So, in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, market presence, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Paystack and Flutterwave, you can use my affiliate links in the description below, where I will earn a small commissions at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about the transaction management, Paystack provides real-time analytics with an easy-to-use merchant dashboard. And Flutterwave, on the other hand, they have advanced reporting tools with detailed insights into transaction data. For the checkout options, Paystack offers customizable checkout forms for seamless integration, while Flutterwave they offers customizable PayLink and WooCommerce plugins for easy checkouts. For supported platforms, so Paystack supports API web, mobile application, and POS systems, while Flutterwave, same thing, they supports web, mobile apps, and POS terminals. For developer tools, Paystack, they have a robust API documentation and SDKs for integration in multiple language, while Flutterwave, they have extensive API documentation with pre-built templates for developers. And when we talk about their global payments, Paystack is limited. They have limited support for international currencies, while on the other hand, Flutterwave they have stronger focus on global payments with multi-currency support. And lastly, for fraud detection, Paystack they have a fraud protection tools such as chargeback alerts and transaction monitoring. And same thing with Flutterwave, they offers fraud management systems, including 3D Secure for online payments. So that's it for the simple features comparison. And let's talk about their market presence. And when we talk about their geographic reach comparison, Paystack is strong. They have a strong presence in Nigeria, Ghana, and South Africa, while Flutterwave they operates in over 30 countries, including Nigeria, Kenya, and US. For their customer base, so Paystack is popular among small to medium businesses, while Flutterwave they are widely used by large enterprises and global brands. And for their supported countries, so Paystack, primarily they are focused on Africa, while Flutterwave they have a broader geographic reach across Africa, Europe, and America. And for the adoption, Paystack they are growing in fintech and e-commerce sectors, while Flutterwave they have high adoption by both tech startups and established enterprises. So that's it for their market presence comparison. So now let's go directly to pricing. And for local transaction, Paystack offers 1.5% of the transaction per transaction plus Nigerian Naira 100. And it is capped at a 2,000 Nigerian Naira. While Flutterwave, they have 1.4% fees per transaction plus 50 Nigerian Naira. And it is capped at same thing, 2,000 Nigerian Naira. For international transaction, the Paystack offers 3.9% or 4% fees per transaction, while Flutterwave almost 4%, which is 3.8. So almost the same thing. And for the setup or monthly fees, Paystack have no setup or monthly fees. Same thing with Flutterwave. And for the refund fees, they have no refund fees. They offer it for free. So yes, that's it for the pricing comparison between Paystack and Flutterwave. So now we're done with this. Let's go to pros and cons. So let's start with Paystack pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Paystack has an easy to use interface and detailed analytics for managing transactions. And they are strong. They have a strong local presence in Africa, making it ideal for businesses operating in Nigeria and Ghana. And they have a transparent pricing with no hidden fees and ensuring clarity for merchants. And lastly, they offers extensive developer support with APIs and SDKs for custom integration. And when it comes to cons, Paystack, they have a limited support for international payments compared to competitors like Flutterwave. They have a smaller global reach compared to Flutterwave, and they lack advanced features like virtual cards for customer engagement. And lastly, their merchant payouts can take slightly longer during peak times. So that's it for the Paystack pros and cons. So now let's go directly to Flutterwave pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Flutterwave, they have a broader geographic reach, operating in over 30 countries worldwide. They support a wider range of currencies and international payment options. They have a strong fraud protection features, including 3D secure authentication. And lastly, they have a flexible payment tools like Flutter Wave Store and virtual cards for businesses. When it comes to cons, Flutterwave is they have a slightly higher transaction fees for some local payments. They have a complex setup for smaller businesses and unfamiliar with the platform. They have overwhelming features and it may be unnecessary for smaller scale operations. And lastly, their customer support, while robust, can be slower during peak usage. So that's it for the Flutterwave pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons comparison. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Paystack. So Paystack is referable for someone who operates a small to medium-sized business with a focus on local African markets like Nigeria and Ghana. They someone who prefers a simple, user-friendly platforms with a transparent pricing. Someone who requires robust developer tools for custom integration. And lastly, someone who values localized support and an ecosystem tailored for regional needs. So if you have all of these qualities right, your Paystack is referable for you. And that's it. So for the people who should choose Flutterwave, Flutterwave is referable for someone who manage a global or multi-regional business with customers across multiple countries. Someone who needs advanced features like virtual cards and multi-currency transaction. Someone who prioritize fraud protection with tools like 3D secure authentication. And lastly, someone who seeks scalable solution for larger enterprises or cross-border trade. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Flutterwave is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, both Paystack and Flutterwave excel in enabling online payments, but their strength cater to different types of businesses. Paystack is a great choice for small to medium enterprises, focusing on local markets, offering simplicity and affordability. And on the other hand, Flutterwave is the go to platform for larger businesses and global reach, equipped with advanced features and a broader market presence. So if you are a small business owner targeting Africa, Paystack's ease of use and local expertise will serve you well. However, if international payments and scalability are priorities, Flutterwave is your best bet. So yes, that's it. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And also that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.